Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing my makeup without any brushes, just my fingers. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I'm using the bottom part of my pencil to conceal my eyes and my eyebrows. We are still on track. This is not a brush. Going in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my eyes. Using my Holy Grail Who's That Girl eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this orange color as my transition color. Going in with this brown shade into my crease and blending them both together. Using another finger to do my eyelids, I'm using this silver shade on my eyelids. Going in with coal, which is black, for my outer V and slowly bringing it into my crease. I'll be wiping my fingers with wipes and then blending all the colors together with clean fingers. Doing my eyeliner, I just prefer the pencil to the liquid eyeliner. I just do. Going in with my Color Fit Me face primer. I applied a lightweight foundation, but I didn't really like the finish, so I went in with my ZKL full coverage. And it looks excessive, but I'm going to reduce it later on. You should use a foundation that is the same shade as your body skin tone if your face is slightly darker than your body. So I wiped my hands with the wipes, then I went in again to blend my face with my fingers, so it ended up reducing the foundation. Going in with my LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan, I just wanted a soft highlight. This is not the perfect shade for a very dramatic highlight. Setting my face with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Going in with this pink blush, I didn't know the one to use, so I settled for the lighter pink. I think it's lovely. For contour, I went in with like 3 shades darker because the other shades doesn't cut it for me. Scratching the powder to get the product out. I wouldn't need to do that if I were using a brush. So I'm applying my face powder. Applying my highlighter, I can't remember the brand name, but guys, I like to buff with highlighter, as in you will see it from far. That's the first thing you see. Really loving this purple lipstick from Who's That Girl lipstick palette, and it has a soft matte finish. That's why I'm so in love with this palette. Touched up my eyebrows with a pencil. Finishing up with my Morphe mascara and spraying my face with my color setting spray. This is the finished look, guys, and it's not bad, but it shouldn't replace your makeup brushes. Please like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.